Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML block and inline element. So all the HTML element has a default display value, so it can either be block or it can be inline. So the block level elements always start on a new line and it takes up the full width available, and also it has a top and a bottom margin. So like an example, we can create the p tag. So p tag or the paragraph tag is one example of the block level element, and the p tag will take up the whole width available. So if we create another p tag, then you can see the new p tag or the new paragraph is started in a new line. So the block level element is taking up the full width. And some of the other block level elements are the address tag, the header tag, the table tag, the article, div, figure, HR, ordered list, and the footer, and list item, paragraph tag, unordered list, block code, form, main, pre, video, and also we have the headers from H1 to H6, and the nav, and also we have the section. So all of these tags are example of block element where they takes up the full width available. So now we're going to talk about the inline element. The inline elements does not start on a new line and it only takes up as much width as necessary. So like an example, we can create one inline span tag and we can put one content, and I'm gonna create another inline element like the small tag. So you can see the inline elements does not start on a new line and they only takes up as much width as necessary, and that's how we can see both of these content side by side. That's because of the inline property of both of these elements. So some of the example of the inline elements are the anchor tag, the quote tag, the span, time, or also we have the abbreviation tag, the em tag, label, the strong tag, and also we have the button tag, italic tag, script tag, sub, also we have the b tag, site tag, image, object, select, sub, and also we have the video, code, input, output, small, and also we have the text area. So all of these tags are the example of the inline element and they only takes up the necessary width. So this is the way we can create the block level element. The block level element starts in a new line and they takes up the full width, whereas the inline element, they does not start in a new line and they only takes up the necessary width. This way the inline elements can sit side by side where the block element cannot. And also we need to remember that one inline element cannot contain one block level element. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.